Welcome to our channel in Designers World. Professor Siddhant Sir DWPSS. This video is about Aishwarya Tipnis projects, Madhepur Fort, and Woodstock School. Let's start by talking about the Madhepur Fort project. Madhepur Fort in Ujjain, Madhya Pradesh, is being restored. The consolidation of 18th century archaeological remains at Madhepur Fort has preserved a much-ignored historic asset that houses a vibrant multicultural population. The project, which was carried out with foreign support as part of an innovative collaboration arrangement with the state government, reversed substantial deterioration caused by repeated flooding, haphazard building, and sporadic vandalism. Following meticulous research and analysis, the fort's walls and bastions were strengthened with minimal alteration, keeping their original patina. The involvement of local kids and other citizens in the conservation activity has created a new sense of pride and custodianship, generating a self-sustaining mechanism for the long-term protection of this unlisted monument. Now let's move forward and make our way to Woodstock School. One of the oldest structures on the Woodstock School campus, the quad building is an architectural ensemble set within a gorgeous forested setting that is very significant both architecturally and aesthetically. The project entailed creating a conservation strategy for the quad building, which will serve as a roadmap for future conservation and development, additions, modifications, and retrofitting of the campus's historic buildings. The strategy also provides a framework for allocating priorities for the work that has to be done. The goal of this project is to make sure that the campus's conservation needs are taken into account and met when new initiatives are proposed. It will also help to prioritize upcoming projects and offer a unified approach to conservation. The planning of work for the school has been based on this technique, which includes mapping and documentation, assessing conditions, creating a bill of quantities, developing an implementation plan, and scheduling projects for the proposed work on campus. Renovating the structure to match the standards of 21st century learning and teaching was a major component of the restoration process of one of the oldest and most prestigious educational institutions in the nation. The strict layout of the classrooms was becoming challenging as instruction shifted from being participatory to being focused on the learner. In our capacity as primary architectural consultants, it was our responsibility to design and carry out a modernization of the Woodstock School's administrative and classroom spaces while also taking into account the school's historic setting. Interior design, working drawings, and work supervision were all included in the scope of work. To remain updated with us and see more projects of builders, architects, and interior designers, as well as in-depth case studies, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and follow our channel.